Hi, I'm Jeff Floyd with CMIT Solutions of Round Rock. We're a full-service IT firm, and we've been looking for a different way to market our services to other businesses. Ross's team over at Tricycle Creative developed a proposal for us to use the LinkedIn platform, and our results have been absolutely outstanding. This was a complete turnkey solution. We set up a few rules up front on the types of businesses we wanted to reach out to. Ross's team took over from there, and the efforts on my part have been just literally dealing with those people that have raised their hand and said, hey, we are interested in having a conversation about our IT services. If you're thinking about it, go ahead and pull the trigger on Tricycle Creative.